Welcome to our instructional video on understanding the alphabet of lines in technical drawing. In this video, we will provide a comprehensive overview of the different types of lines used in technical drawings, their meanings, and how to interpret them. What is the alphabet of lines? The alphabet of lines is a set of line types used in technical drawing to convey different features, materials, and dimensions of an object. These lines are essential for communicating the design and construction of objects accurately. Main line types. The main line types in the alphabet of lines include visible lines. Represent the edges or outlines of an object that are visible in a specific view. Hidden lines. Depict edges or outlines that are not visible from the current viewpoint, but are present on the object. Center lines. Indicate the center of symmetrical parts or features. Dimension lines. Show the extent and direction of dimensions. Extension lines. Extend from the object to indicate the points to which a dimension applies. Understanding line weights. In technical drawing, line weight plays a crucial role in conveying the importance and hierarchy of different lines. Line weight is typically indicated by line thickness or style, and it helps in differentiating between various line types. Interpreting line conventions. Understanding line conventions is essential for accurately interpreting technical drawings. Certain conventions, such as line styles and line terminators, provide specific information about the features of an object. Application of line types. Different line types are used to represent specific features and materials in technical drawings. By understanding the application of each line type, you can effectively interpret the drawing. In conclusion, understanding the alphabet of lines is fundamental to interpreting technical drawings accurately. By familiarizing yourself with the main line types, line weights, and line conventions, you can effectively communicate and comprehend the design and construction details of various objects. Thank you for watching this instructional video on understanding the alphabet of lines in technical drawing. We hope this information enhances your understanding of technical drawings and improves your drafting skills.